Hi, welcome to the tutorial on what is linear regression. By the end of this topic, you will be able to explain what is linear regression. Now, in the previous topic, we dealt with the simple mean-based regression models and different ways of building them. In those models, we used very simple techniques such as mean prediction and mean prediction based on some input feature. We will now begin our journey of learning linear regression. We will work with a small example from the transformed housing data 2.csv comprising of just two columns, sale price and flat area. For this, I'll start by importing the transformed housing data 2.csv as data. Next, what we'll do is, we will extract the first 30 rows from the two columns, sale price and the flat area, from the data and arrange them into a data frame by the name of sample data. For better understanding, let's plot the data using matplotlib. On running this cell, we get a graph as shown on the screen. You can clearly see in this graph that the sale price is increasing with the increase in flat area. Now, consider a situation that a real estate broker wants to find a way to decide the right selling price for any house automatically, so that he will not have to go through a lot of procedure and manual inspection himself. Now, according to what we have learned so far, first intuition says that we should build the mean regression model to predict the sale price of the new house. For this, we just add two lines of code to what we have already written. In the first line, we declare a new column and store the mean of sale price as all of its values. We add the second line at the position 6. Here, we plot the line which will represent the mean sale price. Now let's run the cell. We can see the yellow line which represents the average sale price of all the houses in the dataset. To check the usefulness of the mean regression model, let's assume that the real estate agent recently has 4 new houses with different flat area as shown on the plot. Now, if we project these points on the mean regression line, we will get the corresponding sale price which our sample model predicts. The results don't look promising. The mean regression model says that every new house listed would have the same price irrespective of the flat area, which we know is not correct. Now, although the problem of sale price prediction is not very complex, but it is also not so simple that we can use the mean regression model. So, what can be a better way to predict the sale price based on the flat area? We know for a fact that sale price and flat area are correlated to each other, and according to the data we are working with, we can see that we can fairly generalize the data with the help of a straight line, which would look something like this green line. We can see that the line fits the data quite well. And if we now try to use this line to predict the sale price for the 4 new houses that we saw previously, we can see that it suggests different sale price based on their flat area, which is much closer representation of reality. Congratulations! This green line that you drew is nothing but your first linear regression model, and that is exactly what linear regression does. It models the linear relationship between the dependent and the independent variables. So that's all in this video. From the next video onward, we would start learning the maths behind linear regression model. See you there.